How to join the unstable SMP server step-by-step guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to join the unstable SMP server on Discord. If you received an invite link but don't know how to join the server, just follow these simple steps. First, open the Discord app on your phone or computer and make sure you're already logged in to your Discord account. Now, look at the left side of the screen where all your servers are displayed. At the bottom of the server list, you will see a plus icon. Tap or click on that icon. After that, select the option Join a Server. Next, you need to paste the invite link for the unstable SMP Discord server into the invite box. Once you paste the link, simply tap on Join Server. After joining, the server will appear in your Discord server list. You can open it, read the rules, and start chatting with other members. Sometimes new members must verify their account or react to a message before accessing all the channels, so make sure to follow the instructions in the rules or welcome channel. And that's it. That's how you can easily join the unstable SMP Discord server. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.